In this video, I will be talking about some of the worst moments of my life, disappointments, the failures that I have faced, how I got rejected twice by SSB, and what were the reasons that made me drop out from university, why I'm still jobless, and how did I failed in more than 100 exams. So if you are interested in watching me getting roasted slash exposed by myself, do watch the video till the end because this video is going to be very interesting. So starting it from YouTube, I used to ask people to subscribe my channel, like my videos. I would literally take mobile from random people and would subscribe to my channel. I have 112 subscribers which I have still hidden in order to make my channel look like I have like 100,000 of subscribers. I used to force people to like my videos and to do comments on my videos so that other people would say that, oh, he's getting views and he's getting likes and he's getting comments from random people, and that would make a good impression of me and my channel. Can you believe that? I did FSC from Islamic College Peshawar. After that I got graduated from University of Peshawar. I did masters in statistics, which I swear to God I never liked doing. I always liked English subject. I don't know how I ended up doing masters in statistics. I got dropped from university after 4th semester because I had some papers failed in my previous semesters, and that is why I got dropped. And that time was the extreme toughest time for me. Not that I just got dropped, but I wasn't sure that how I am gonna face my parents after that, how I am gonna tell them that I have failed you. And those moments I can never forget. I still get those flashbacks, But time passes and it heals your wounds. Time is the best healer. I have always considered myself an average student, and I accept that. I have lied to so many people about my result that I have 3 GPA and I have 3.2 GPA just in order to make myself look like that I am a brilliant student. Can you believe that? So I got rejected twice by SSB. To be very honest, the reasons were crystal clear to me. I did not do well in any tasks that were given to me comparing to other candidates in my groups. They did extremely well, and some of them even got selected, and they deserved selection. You know what? The time you step out of ISSB center, you know exactly if you're rejected or selected by the performance you have given in the past few days. So rather complaining on their selection criteria, watch out for your performance first. It's been more than 2 years since I am searching for a job. I have literally applied in every department and I have got nothing in return but rejection. I have wasted almost 3 years of my life without doing anything. I have been through a lot. I have faced a lot of hurdles, and I feel like those hurdles has made me a better person now. In the end, I would say that everything happened for a reason. You got to forget your past and focus on your present, and that is exactly how you will improve. So that was my story. Hopefully you guys enjoyed me getting exposed by myself. And if you want me make second part of it, do let me know in the comment section down below, and I will try to make second part of it. If you are new around here, do like the video, do subscribe the channel, and I will catch you guys very soon. The content the para हर एक्सेस होने की है